Climate change, like COVID-19, is a global threat that has a big impact and will be felt by everyone in the world. Various scientists have learned that climate change is a real global threat, which illustrates that the world is experiencing global warming right now. Indeed, climate change is also not something foreign to our ears. Since then until now, this problem has still existed. If left unchecked and not followed up firmly when the time comes, no country will be able to escape or be free from this threat of climate change. I believe in that. My name is Syifa Khofifah Saidah, and now here I am talking climate change to open up your mind about this problem. Climate change is a change in weather patterns, associated changes in the oceans, land surface, and ice sheets that occur on timescales of several decades or more. And also, climate change can be categorized as a long-term impact, but has a big impact. And recently, the issue of global climate change has been heard several times. This is due to the worsening environment in the world. The increases in global temperatures from around 1980 to 2021 has increased 2 times faster than the previous period. And the National Ocean Atmospheric Administration, or you can say NOAA, confirmed that a new record for global hot temperature in July 2021. Land and the ocean surface temperatures rose 1.09 degrees Celsius, hotter than the global average of 15.8 degrees Celsius, and became the hottest month in the world over a period of 142 years. In Indonesia, based on BMKG monitoring, the temperature increase could rise to 34 until 39 degrees Celsius in 2021. This is caused by many factors, one of which is human activities that produce CO2 emissions or carbon emissions that threaten the world in the form of rising temperatures. And furthermore, greenhouse gas emission as well as constructions in all countries will make mobility higher, increase energy demand, and put a strain on natural resources. Several triggers of global climate change have resulted in change in weather patterns. Unclean air, the Earth's temperatures is getting warmer, ozone depletion, and rising sea level, which increase the risk of floods, and also natural disasters that come and go, melting ice at the North Pole, and also the impacts of climate change of global scope and unprecedented scale. In the IPCC Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report regarding the impact of climate change in the South Asian region, Indonesia is one of the countries that is seen to be experiencing extraordinary impacts, starting from the heat waves. This can trigger forest fires to floods that can hit cities in Indonesia, including sea level rise. And as we know that Indonesia is in the world in the electricity industry and transportation sectors, we will we still use this fossil fuel combustion which makes a lot of carbon gas release into the air and causes the global warming. To reduce the impact of climate change that is increasingly extreme, following the Paris Agreement, the use of fossil fuels must be reduced. Conserve energy, plant forests on a large scale, use renewable and environmentally friendly energy sources. And President Obama once said that no challenge poses a greater threat to future generation than climate change. So that we have to protect and hand on the planet to the next generation. That's all for me. Thank you.